As per recent medical aspects, there could be seen that a lot of patients have issues of carrying a lot of documents while going to the medical centers or different places. The documents also is too lengthy and causes waste of paper. Also, it is not possible to keep a track and record of it. Even in case of an emergency of an unknown patient, in some cases the operation fails due to lack of knowledge of past medical history of the patient. Therefore, to overcome all such problems, I have come up with an idea of linking all medicology and reports with one's Aadhaar card. Linking basic text and prescribed medicines to Aadhaar card may help different aspects of the society, the hospitality management staff and doctors for prescribing and having a look to the patients. There's a lot of artificial intelligence and IoT is involved in this process of linking. The linking of such a large amount of data required a large amount of database and would be only possible through artificial intelligence. AI in healthcare industry is very much important and it involves different design thinking processes, mainly involving empathize, define, ideate, prototype and then test. My ideation is linking all the medical reports and medicology with Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card linking benefits are numerous. Mentioning few, there would be a data management, the doctor prescription, easy access to everyone, a trade recognition for the medical brands, minimum frauds, Green India of reducing paper, a long-term storage for the medical history and emergency help. AI is important in linking process as well. Managing a large base of data is required only by AI. Importance in its healthcare industry. For example, if one having severe accident, it could be only occurred if the doctor having a good knowledge of the patient.
A lot of reviews of the people of different sections of the society has been taken and everyone appreciated the model. They said that it would be a boon to the medical industry.